for stopping by. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Hi, I am Keerthi. Welcome to the case test. So for today's video, I'm going to make some yummy pancakes. This is going to be more in a vlog style. Like, this is how I make pancakes. And these are sugarless, every healthy stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's take this. Okay, so for today's pancakes, I am making with an atta and jaggery powder. Like, I mix both of them, banana and baking soda, baking powder, soaked cashew nuts because we just ran out of milk, and vanilla essence and some mixer jar. Yeah, that's what we need. Into this mixer jar, I'm gonna first blend this cashew nuts to make some cashew nuts. Yeah, let's do this. Everything is inside this beauty, and I'm gonna add a little bit of ghee. So in this you can actually add butter or any oil, vegetable oil and stuff, but now I'm gonna add ghee because that is the only thing available. Like, this is the batter, this is the consistency. Like, okay, I just drizzled some ghee right in the middle of the pan, and I'm going to pour the batter just like that. This has to I'm super anxious to dig my fork into it because this turned out to be super fluffy and tasty, of course. So let's just taste it in a bit. So trust me, it's so tasty. Try it for yourself. This is how I make my pancakes. These are extremely eggless, sugarless and everything healthy. So if you really enjoy watching these vlogs and recipes, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment down below, share it to your friends who are in quarantine. Yes, we are here to kill some time, right? So here it is. Make this recipe, tag me on your Instagram and the recipe, and you can definitely like add your own options, like your own sweetener, like natural sweetener and stuff. So I'll meet you next Thursday. Until then, bye.